Until you're looking at me, I know what you see. Any closer and you feel the heat.
To a K-pop star, you first want to start off with no makeup because we're going to go straight to the eyes. And here, I'm going to use Coastal Scents Sample Quad from my Ipsy Glam Bag. I'm going to select a black eyeshadow color and outline the shape of my eyeliner. And here, I'm using my Be a Bombshell eyeliner. K-pop stars are known for having their sexy cat eyes, so it's really important that your eyeliner is very, very black. The more intense your eyeliner looks, the better. For the lashes, you want to curl them and apply generous coats of volumizing mascara. And here, I'm using the Balm What's Your Type Bodybuilder Mascara. And I decided to add a straight line on my lower lash line to create an edgier look. Avoid wearing bold eyeshadow colors. K-pop stars usually prefer to sport eyeliner. However, if you need to add more glamour, glitter is your best friend. If you want more drama to your eyes, add fake lashes. And now, your K-pop eyes are done. And now that your eyes are done, it's time to show your face some love. You want to start off by using BB cream because the formula has a light to medium coverage that contains a combination of tinted moisturizer, serum, and primer. K-pop stars are all about perfecting the skin, so it's important to create a flawless face. Here, I'm going to use Coastal Scents Concealer Palette. I want to cover up my dark circles, which I actually got from lack of sleep. Make sure you're getting sleep. Now, I'm going to highlight the rest of my face. Then, with a sponge, blend everything away. And here, I'm actually just reducing the size of my lips so that it gives more attention to my eyes. Now, take your face powder and mattify your face. You'll notice that I'm skipping blush and bronzer because it's actually not really needed. K-pop artists usually prefer bright-looking skin. Now, for the most important step, creating the famous K-pop eyebrows. I really love this brow look because it really reminds me of Audrey Hepburn. You want to create fuller-looking brows with minimal arch. The straighter, the better. Also, you don't want your brow length to be too long. Keep it short. The fuller your brows, the more youthful you look. Almost done, guys. Time for the lips. Here, I have 3 different Mirror Nest Lip Balm Glossy Lacquer stains to choose from. A red, a rose pink, and a light pink. These are actually colors that K-pop stars would rock. I decided to choose the rose pink color. Remember to avoid any dark lipsticks like plums, deep browns, and dark berries. Also, stick with a lip finish that doesn't have any glitter or pearl texture. Your finish should either have a matte, glossy, or satin finish. When it comes to K-pop fashion, it's all about the accessories. I decided for a glitzy look for this one. And of course, you can wear black, but I would look for tops with interesting cutouts. Remember, try and keep it family-friendly. No low-cut tops. You don't want to show any of your twins. If you want, rock a crazy jacket. Look for something metallic or shiny. The edgier, the better. When it comes to hair, you can never go wrong with straight hair. But if you want to go all out, rock the bangs. Her here is clipping on fake fringes for me. Throw your hair in a high ponytail if you really want to finish off with a glow. Now, my K-pop look is complete.